Now, in chapter 2, we have next subtopic pitfall of dieting. An individual who is overweight wants to reduce weight. They starve for reducing weight, many times skip meals to lose weight, sometimes take slimming pills. Nowadays, we are realizing the advantages of having a healthy food, healthy body, and good physique. Most of the people do not want to face the physical challenges of exerting their body on a regular basis due to lack of time, willpower, laziness, etc. Research has found that 90% of people, those who diet, gain all their weight back, sometimes even more than that. There are various pitfalls of dieting to reducing our weight. Now we see various pitfalls of dieting. Number one, restriction on some nutrients. Dieting restricts components of food like carbohydrates and fats since they can be converted in body fat. If this continues, then the body will become weak, lose its immunity, and leads to several deficiency. Number two, extreme reduction of calories. Human body needs a specific amount of calories for proper functioning. Dieting method that reduce the calories intake drastically lowers the metabolism. Though excessive weight will be lost and it's dangerous for health. Number 3, skipping meals. A good metabolic rate allows you to maintain or lose weight. There is a direct relationship between metabolic rate and body weight. Skipping meals helps us to lowering metabolism to conserve energy. This also means you are more likely to eat more than your body can process in the next level. Number 4, drinking your calories. When we try to lose weight, often the focus in is on what you eat and do not focus on what you drink. Beverages can play a huge role depending on what you drink. Also, consider other calorie-ridden beverages such as sodas, iced tea, juice, smoothies, and flavored iced drinks. Number 5, no exercise. If you do not live an active lifestyle, losing weight will be an uphill battle. Exercise has a huge impact on body metabolism and also helps to burn some extra calories off. You do not have to hit the gym on a regular basis to be fit. Try walking, biking, playing with your kids, anything that gets you moving. Every little bit make a difference. Number 6, label food. Those who follow dieting are tempted to use products that have unrealistic labels on them like sugar-free, diet soda, fat-free, etc. Depending on these items damage the body as they cannot provide you with the nutrients or energy to your body required. Next topic is food intolerance. Food intolerance is that when a person has difficulty in digesting a particular food. Food intolerance means the individual elements of certain foods that cannot be properly processed and absorbed by our digestive system. The main cause of food intolerance is the complete absence of enzymes responsible for breaking down or absorbing the food elements. Food intolerance can cause nausea, stomach pain, diarrhea, vomiting, gas cramps, heartburns, headaches, irritability, etc. We continue in this slide. A large number of people experience upsetting responses to foods they have consumed. The suspect they have a food allergy. Just 2 to 5% of mature people and 2 to 8% of kids are genuinely unfavorably receptive to certain foods. Causes: absence of activity of enzymes responsible for breaking down the food elements. These are usually innate, sometimes diet related or due to illness. Management: change in diet causing reaction. Some therapies like fructose intolerance therapy, lactose intolerance therapy, histamine intolerance therapy can be applied. Causes of food intolerance: absence of an enzyme needs to fully digest a food. Lactose intolerance is a common example. Irritable bowel syndrome: this chronic condition can be caused cramping, constipation, and diarrhea. Food poisoning: toxins such as bacteria in spoiled food can cause severe digestive symptoms. Sensitivity to food additives. For example, sulfites used to preserve dried fruits, canned goods, and wine can trigger asthma attacks in sensitive people. Recurring stress or psychological factor. Sometimes the mere thought of a food may make you sick. The reason is not fully understood, but it's happened. Celiac disease has some features of a true food allergy because it involves the immune system. However, symptoms are mostly gastrointestinal, and people with celiac disease are not at risk of anaphylaxis. This chronic digestive condition is triggered by eating gluten, a protein found in wheat and other grains. Next subheading is food myths. In this slide, you can see what is food myth. There are many myths about food we eat in modern times. Current dietary wisdom is so much to avoid with these food myths that it is misdirecting the people by forcing them to make wrong choices about the food we eat. As eggs increases cholesterol level, so avoid them. There is no doubt that eggs are good source of health. An egg provides you various nutrients. It is as per daily requirement of cholesterol by your bodies. Drinking while eating makes you fat. The actual fact behind this misconception is that enzymes and their digestive juices will be diluted by drinking water while eating, which slows down your digestion, which may lead to excess body fat. Food myths. Number 1. Myth: low fat or no fat diet are good. Fact: body needs fats for energy, tissue repair, and to transport vitamin A, D, E, K. Just cut down on saturated fat, eating unsaturated fats. Number 2. Myth crash: dieting or fasting may lose weight. Fact: it may be true in short term, but ultimately it hinders weight loss. Losing over the long term burns of fat, whereas crash dieting or fasting not only removes fat but leans muscles. Myth number 3. Food eaten late night is more fattening. Fact: it doesn't make much changes. Number 4. Myth: low fat milk has less calcium than full fat milk. Fact is, skimmed and semi-skimmed actually have more calcium because it is in watery part and not in creamy part of milk. Number 5. Myth. Vegetarian cannot build muscles. Fact. Vegetarian can build muscles as meat eaters by getting their protein from vegetables such as cheese, nuts, pulse, etc. Number 6. Myth. Potatoes makes you fat. Fact. We know carbohydrates are the energy sources of our body. One doesn't gain weight by simply eating carbohydrates as long as intake of starchy food is not excessive.